Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to post a photo on your community post through the YouTube app. Please note, to be able to create community post, your YouTube account needs to have more than 500 subscribers at the time of making this video. To post a photo, open up your YouTube app on your phone. Then tap on the plus sign at the bottom. Then tap on Create a Post. Here, tap on the photo icon just above your keyboard. Choose a photo from your photo gallery. Note, YouTube Post only allows a photo ratio of 1:1, so if your photo is a different ratio, you will only be allowed to show part of the photo. Tap on Reposition to select a different part of the photo if your photo ratio is not 1:1. Next, type in your message just above the photo. Once you're done, tap on Post to post it to your community tab. And that is how to post a photo on your community post through the YouTube app. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below if this worked for you. Please consider subscribing and turn on bell notifications to see more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.